Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are well. You all have seen the explanation of subject and predicate in my previous video, and in this video we will discuss about the book exercise. So you all open your book, chapter 2, subject and predicate, page number 7. So first of all we will start the warm up section. From there only you can see few words are given there in the clouds. So what you have to do in this, read the question, draw a line from each subject on its predicate. So you have to match the things. Somewhere it is written there subject and somewhere predicate. You have to match the things. My sister. So what is the correct answer? Likes to dance. The wind blew all the leaves away. The principal congratulated the students. The dog wagged its tail. So, afterward, exercise A. I'm going to read the question. We all will discuss and we all will solve the question. Identify the subject and the predicate in these sentences. Question number 1. The baby sleeps in its crib. Then the baby will be the subject, because whenever you will get this type of question, you ask the question who, then answer will come. Now question number 2, the man loves riding a horse. Now again the question arises, who loves? Then definitely the answer will come, the man. In this way we can search the subject, and rest other the parts will be predicate. Question number 3, Jaya is very hard working. Who is very hard working? The answer will come, Jaya. Question number 4, Rohan loves his pet. Then Rohan will be the subject and rest other parts will be the predicate. Question number 5, the sun was shining brightly. Then the sun will be the subject and was shining brightly will be the predicate. You have to keep this thing in your mind. Then most of the question you see the first word will be the subject, but in this manner we cannot say that in first part only the subject will be there. For subject you have to ask the question who. Like question number 7, you see Mohan likes to play cricket. Who likes to play cricket? Then again the answer will come, Mohan. And what the answer will come, that will be the subject. Question number 8, the deer runs very fast. Who runs very fast? Answer will come, the deer. In this manner you solve 9 and 10 also. Now next exercise, exercise B. Match the subject to the predicate. In this you will not do the matching one. What you have to do? Beta, in both the column you have to see that in one column subject and another column predicate is there. You have to do the numbering. You have to write the numbers only. It looks tidy, but when you will doing matching work, it doesn't look good. So in this manner you have to read both the section properly and you have to search the appropriate answer from there. Question number 1, the shops, answer G, were selling beautiful clothes. The students H were excited about the school trip. The crowd, A section, was shouting and throwing stones. The car, question number 4, you see which one will be the correct answer? Crashed against the tree. The house, question number 5, you see in second option C, had many room. The house had many rooms in it. Now question number C, the furniture, which will be the correct answer? Was made of teak wood. In this manner do 2 more questions. Okay. So in this way you can solve the book exercises. But before going to solve the exercises, please sharp your pencil, mention date and do everything in beautiful work. Our next exercise will be question number C. In this, what we have to do? Underline the subject and circle the predicate in the following sentences. Remember, all sentences may not have a subject. So you have to see, you have to search the subject from there. In question number 1 is already given the answer. So we will discuss from question number 2. I love to listen to music. So what will be the subject? I. And then I you have to underline, and rest other part you have to circle. Question number 3. We. You have to underline we because we is the subject, and rest other part you have to circle. The speeding truck. Okay, will be the you have to underline, and rest other part you have to circle. They you have to underline, rest other part you have to circle, because they is the subject over here, and rest other part will be the predicate. India